And thanks for inviting us in on this Thursday night. It's now 11 o'clock. This evening, we want to dig into questions and concerns sparked by this new lawsuit filed by the Indiana Attorney General against Indianapolis Public Schools. This all boils down to the school district's immigration policies. Our Logan Gay joins us tonight from IPS to break down Todd Rokita's claims and the complexities of this case.
Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita, with help from the conservative think tank America First Policy Institute, is suing Indianapolis Public Schools. He claims IPS uses illegal policies that restrict how staff can work with immigration and customs enforcement. The case stems from a situation back in January. According to the lawsuit, IPS refused to release a student to ICE without a warrant. The complaint says the student's father, a Honduran national, was set to be deported and wanted his child to go with him, but the child went to school instead. ICE officers showed up at the school, but a teacher allegedly connected the student with an immigration attorney. According to the complaint, the attorney left with the child, and the father's deportation order expired before he left the country. Rokita posted a video on YouTube Thursday. In it, he argues IPS policies put students at risk.
It severely limits ICE's ability to access school grounds when necessary and prohibits IPS employees from assisting or sharing information with ICE. Now, those kinds of sanctuary policies are bad in any context, and they are especially troubling if they're in schools.
It's still unclear if the child is a Honduran national or a U.S. citizen. Legal experts say that matters because ICE cannot remove a U.S. citizen child who has a trusted adult caretaker. On its website, IPS says it will cooperate with immigration and customs enforcement as required under the law, and that it will require proper legal documentation from ICE to enter school facilities or buildings. Community advocate Elia Sanchez works closely with the Latino families in IPS. She says her phone hasn't stopped ringing.
One mother, I remember her saying, you know, there are no criminals in our schools. In the schools, there are children, not criminals.
She says this lawsuit is worsening fears in the Latino community.
Students should not have to walk through the schools feeling unsafe because there's an ICE agent walking through the hallways with guns. A school is supposed to be a safe haven.
A statement from IPS about the lawsuit reads in part, "While IPS takes all legal obligations seriously, we respectfully hope that all concerned parties will recognize the heavy burden that silly litigation and political posturing places on students, families, and taxpayers." In Indianapolis, Logan Gay, 13 News.
And you can read the entire statement from IPS and hear more from that Attorney General, plus a local immigration attorney who takes you deeper into this case. We've got it all posted right now on WTHR.com.